Hello all, we're going to be doing a little bit of integration by parts today. You can see we've got this integral set up, x cubed natural log of x squared. Now, it's going to be a lot easier for us if we remember an old trick with natural log. Remember that if you have an exponent on the inside of a natural log, you can take it and move it to the front to be a coefficient. So this natural log of x squared is really 2 times natural log of x. So all we're going to do is we're going to take this 2, cross it out, we're going to move it to the front of the natural log, but that can actually just be moved all the way to the front of the integral. So there we go. So we're really trying to figure out what this integral is, and this is a lot easier than dealing with the x squared inside of the natural log. So let's go ahead and try it out. So next up, we need to somehow be able to deal with this x cubed times natural log of x, right? And the way to deal with this is going to be, we want to use integration by parts. Now we have to choose one part for u and one part for v prime. Remember that u is a part that we're going to be finding the derivative of, v prime the antiderivative. Now it's very tempting to go ahead and put x cubed in the derivative part and natural log in the antiderivative part. But unfortunately that's not really going to work for us. Because we have no idea what the antiderivative of natural log of x is, we're sort of stuck, and we have to put the natural log in the derivative part. So let's go ahead and erase that, and we'll turn this around so that it's done the right way. So we'll put natural log of x in the derivative piece. Over here in the antiderivative part we'll put x cubed, and the derivative of natural log is 1 over x. The antiderivative of x cubed is 1/4 x to the 4th. And now we'll go ahead and do by parts. So by parts says that this integral that we have here is just going to be u times v, which is 1/4 x squared natural log of x, minus the integral of v times u prime. Well, I'll take that 1/4 that's on the v and I'll move it to the front, and it's the integral, and v times u prime, that x to the 4th and the 1 over x are going to cancel a little bit, and we're just going to have an x cubed inside of the integral. So good news so far. You'll notice we've made a really good exchange here. The by parts has allowed us to take this integral, this x cubed natural log of x, and we've exchanged this for an integral of x cubed, which is just awesome. So let's go ahead and just finish this up. We're going to distribute the 2 to get 1/2 x squared natural log of x minus 1/2 the integral of x cubed. And after that, no problems. We just leave the 1/2 x squared natural log of x right where it is, and we all know the antiderivative of x cubed. It's 1/4 x to the 4th. In fact, we just found it up here, right? So all in all, with that 1/2 in the front, this is going to be 1 over 8 in the front, and it's 1/8 x to the 4th plus c. And there we go. That's it. So when you're dealing with these by parts, there's not always an easiest way to do these things, it's not always easy to see the easiest way to do these things. Sometimes you're going to have to experiment a little bit. Keep on the lookout for this kind of simplification that you can do. It's really going to help you out later if you can see these. But otherwise, just keep your wits about you and you'll be fine. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know in class or in my office. It's all fine. Good luck and happy mathing.